In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your 4 assignment types for the assignments that we use here at Herndon Middle School. In the top blue banner, you're going to hover over Gradebook. Next, click on Gradebook Setup. You'll see in Gradebook Setup, I currently have different assignment types listed here. Regardless, I'd like you to go to Assignment Types in the gray banner just to double check that you have the correct assignment types. So you might have a whole bunch of different assignment types here, but the 4 that you need to have: quizzes, classwork, unit assessments, and homework. Keep in mind your CLT may not be using all of these assignment types, but these are the only types that you are allowed to have at Herndon Middle School. Now I'll show you how to add a new type. You'll click New in the top right corner. Next, you're going to add the assignment type name. So I'll use homework as an example. The sequence, you can put 1. It's really just the order of the dropdown that it appears when you're selecting the assignment type. And due date, yes. We do want to pick a due date because for any assignment we are putting in the gradebook, we're going to want to have a due date and we will be grading it to put it in here. You can click on the color picker and pick any color along the top, or play with the little toggle switches here until you get a color that you like, and click OK. Finally, you're going to click Insert. So you should see your name appearing under the different types that you have created. This is my training account, so my name is Carson Middle School. You might also see district types. Even if for district types you have the 4 assignment types, you need to make your own that have your name. There are some errors that occur in the SIS gradebook later on in the year if you are using district types. So please make sure that you have the types you need with your name listed. For any extras or ones that you want to delete, you can hover next to the name here and you can either edit if you need to make a change or click on the X to completely delete the row. So I have an extra homework that I'm going to delete. To confirm that I want to delete it, I'll click Save in the top right-hand corner. I'll click OK. And same thing, I have another example here that is not one of the HMS assignment types that we're using. So I'm going to delete this row as well. I'll click X and then click Save.